Competition law and policy are currently at a crossroads, in particular regarding the travel of direction when it comes to digital markets. Multi-sided digital platforms, operated by some of the wealthiest corporations in economic history, are pervasive globally in digital markets. The business models of these platforms and some of their practices pose serious challenges for the application of competition law. Competition governance questions have entered mainstream political discourse around the world, and there's a need for a balanced, evidence-based reassessment of the proper role of competition policy in market economies. As legislatures, policymakers, enforcers, and regulators grapple with the question of what to do with the tech giants in particular and their power, there are some emerging insights from research that can guide these efforts. These insights include the observation that one size does not fit all, and that it is essential to consider the different features of different platform business models when writing new rules for them. It's also rather clear that some competition law tools need rethinking and adapting so that they can be applied effectively in these markets. Effective application of competition law also requires competition authorities to become more creative in their approach to remedies. And some competition authorities may also need new powers that would allow them to scrutinize markets and impose changes to the operation of markets, even if there are no competition law infringements in them. Given how high the stakes are in this debate that can foreseeably result in upending competition law as we know it, it's imperative that legislatures, policymakers, and enforcers are guided by the evidence and robust research. Overall, the right approach needs to include an assessment of which solutions can optimize the benefits of digitalization at the lowest cost to society.